Hello and welcome back to another video of our channel. Here I'm your host Mr. Dileng. आज हम और मेरा met tour के लिए Delhi. We are planning to visit 3 or 4 places. So this tour is sponsored by IPS Robinson. So we are very fortunate to get those opportunity, and I would like to thank Sir IPS for this opportunity. इसे निकलेंगे. Oi, bye, bro. You're not coming, right?
Enjoy, yeah.
Yes, these days Delhi become very cloudy because of the windy. Windy season has arrived. So the scenery which is nearby, which is around me, may not be visible clearly. The white bus is our bus. I don't know whether it's
गया था ये ट्रिप आज, इसीलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं. कहाँ पे जाएंगे? ओए कहाँ था?
कहाँ?
हौज फोर्ट,
Hoskas.
कुतुब मीनार, उसके बाद सफदरजंग और हुमायूं.
4 places. सारी जगह.
Yeah.
ठीक. For the last moment we are going to enjoy, man. किनारों पे जाके हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो करके आएगा भाई. मस्ती करेंगे, ऐश करेंगे, क्यू करेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे. देखते रहे ना हम लोग. आज का ब्लॉग इस सभी मस्ती करके दिखाएगा. ठीक. Some of my friends might be feeling shy और शर्म भी हो सकता है. Hello bro. Safe journey. Ladies and gentlemen, अभी हम लोग निकल चुका है. So the first, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे मुझे प्यार हो गया जैसे. Okay friends, right now we are under the vehicle. Right now we are moving to Haukas. Yes. This will be our first. लाइफ में कभी भी लड़की का लाइफ पे स्पेंड नहीं करने का, लड़का का लाइफ पे मस्ती करने का. ठीक है ब्रो? लड़का वेट करने का. क्या बोला? लड़का का ये नहीं है मस्ती. Don't lie. You said masturbate. No. I know what you mean. Don't say like this, man. Some of our family members might not know why I have stopped making a video, but आप लोग को पता होगा यहाँ पे आकर कभी मस्ती करने का टाइम मिला नहीं है. मस्ती करने के लिए समय मिला नहीं, तो मैं थोड़ा टाइम के लिए मैं रोक गया था. अभी इस दिन से लेकर लाइफ तक हमेशा मस्ती करेंगे साथ में मिलकर. Này làm nên ta long tiểu khoản thủ thế này này làm mà cái gì tuyệt ra mình cận. Right now we are heading to which place? Hoskas Fort. यहाँ पे क्या क्या देखने मिलेगा भाई?
वहाँ पे पत्थर मिलेगा, पूरा रिमेन्स ऑफ मुगल एम्परर्स मिलेगा, एंड कुछ कपल्स, थोड़ा कुछ
कपल में खाना है क्या? ऐसा नहीं
डर लग रहा है सर, डर.
ऐसे सब पूरी is very tasteless, man, bro. How you have it? I don't have any more. Good.
I don't have place.
Yeah. Anyone who can give me? Hello, bro. Can you give me 25 rupees for entry fee? Is there anyone who can give me?
I'll let your name here.
Huh?
I'll let your name here.
You already added my name?
I'm booking for 3 of us. I'll make it 4.
Okay, Zileng Zemi. Isangam book my ticket, so thank you so much. Let our Heavenly Father bless from above. So right now we are trying our level best to enter without paying, but that's not possible. So I've been अंदर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Come with the camera, man. This is Haukas Fort. जो जगह भी जाओ बिना पैसा का, कोई जगह भी जाने के लिए लोग परमिट नहीं करते, तो जो जगह भी जाओ पैसा is very important. बिना पैसा you are not possible to go anywhere, any places. जिसका ATM नहीं है, जिसका पेटीएम नहीं, वो काउंटर से ले लो, नहीं तो कोई किसी को जाने के लिए नहीं देगा. हम अकेला जाएगा तो कुछ. यहाँ पे पार्टनर उन्नर लड़का लड़की भी मिल सकता है. I'm not talking to them. Still then I just explain how it's happened and what we are going to find and found here. जो मिल रहा है वो बता रहा है ना. ये कौन सा जगह है? It looks so beautiful, but it's not too sexy up to my expectation. Wow, what a windy and hawa there.
Mughal Empire, Alauddin Khilji, and this is tomb of Firoz Shah. These were all carved with gold. These were all pleated with gold and diamonds earlier, but since the Britishers came and they actually everything they carved out by burning, and they took all the diamonds and gold in it. It's like this now.
कर दो और भी मिलेगा यहाँ पे मिलेगा दिखा दिया भाई यहाँ पे लड़की ये भी तो मस्त यस वहाँ पे है लड़का तो प्लीज कैमरामैन stop it from here otherwise I may be shown something which may not be this is too high bro this is too high okay man my Arun's friend. Come on, let's go for the. Oh yeah.
And yeah.
Not here.
Oh, this
Yeah,
how,
yeah.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Having videography or photography, right? Hey, where is my cameraman? Come. Hi. Hello.
Hi, Ayushi this side.
What's your good name?
Ayushi.
I know you. I know you, man, bro. So कुछ बोला करो.
She's from Assam.
Okay, they're from Assam.
No, I am from
Oh, she's
Noida.
from Assam. Assam in which place? Guwahati. Golaghat. Okay.
We all met here.
Yeah, we all met here.
Yes, your name? You are?
Ajan, we are in Suriname. We are in
He's
Suriname.
Ajan.
Azam.
He's from Manipur. I'm
Okay.
from Assam. But I don't know how to speak Assamese. Yes, but I don't know how to speak Assamese. I'm from Hapur. Okay. Yeah,
I've been to Haflong.
Okay. Hapur, so Assam visit किया करो. With
I
your
will do
friend.
it.
With your friend, not with me. Not with him.
Hey, why not with me?
With you or with me. Hello friend, right now we are heading to Qatar Manor. Yes. Hello, finally we are here in the Qatar Manor. So
ये
अभी
हमारे
हम लोग
भैया है,
खाना
जो
खाएंगे
हमें
ये
खाना
हमारे
खिलाते
पाया है इसका वजह से हम लोग खाना पीना उना मिल रहा है तो हम लोग बस के अंदर खाना खाएंगे मस्ती करेंगे ऐसे करेंगे क्यों करेंगे सब कुछ करेंगे इसका एनर्जेटिक से हम लोग अंदर करेंगे और नॉर्थ के स्टूडेंट लोग बिना खाना बिना पीना हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाएगा तो शुरू करते हैं अंदर बस के अंदर के बस नहीं है बाहर के अंदर बाहर के अंदर हाँ बाहर के अंदर बस के अंदर बस के अंदर तो हम लोग अभी करते हैं
अंदर के बाहर के अंदर
अब भी खाना पड़ेगा हम लोग का साथ ठीक
इसको नहीं पता.
हिंदी बताना पड़ेगा सीखना पड़ेगा विदाउट हिंदी हाउ कैन आई बिकम इंडियन I'm pure Indian. I'm not in.
You are already in Indian,
we
no
know
matter what
we
you
know are also Indian, okay?
Yeah, so why
So
the
I'm entering here. What? Here is our lunch.
No name.
So, wow, what a mutton curry.
Yeah.
Here is meat.
Yeah, I already ate it.
कहाँ मांसो
It's veg meat.
वेज नॉन वेज कहाँ पे है
Veg, not non.
नहीं खा पाएगा
Already foggy.
अरे यार अंदर होने के बाद अच्छा तरह से दिखाएंगे ये it's a lot and most crowded. It's come the main entrance gate of Qatar Manor. Cool Qatar Manor. I don't need to show you much about this place. Hope you guys know very well. If पे आके visit कर सकता है. Hey, filter ये.
It is the biggest, I mean the Mughal emperor, no, he's erected dick.
Hey यार.
It's Humayun tomb.
Humayun tomb.
Humayun's tomb. Yes, this is the location.
The location is this.
Yes, it's the location. Yes.
Okay. Here is my original ticket.
Press कर दिया.
अगर क्रेडिट कार्ड है तो 35 रुपीस ठीक लोकेशन with the reached Humayun tombs.
Before. One line. You're lying.
Man, what's your name?
Hi, my name is DM Kavi.
Okay, how was your experience today?
It was good. It was fun.
Okay, and did you miss Chintu?
Yeah, I miss you.
What is your message to
One thing, you close your eyes.
Oh, you bro.
Close your eyes.
I'm missing me too.
Yeah.
So hello, we are on our daily tour and this is our coordinator Mr. Isaac. What is your experience of all these 8-9 months? You're not what? I'm not here. From Arunachal.
Yeah.
Mr. Hage?
Mr. Hagenobin.
Yeah, okay.
And,
Share your experience of last 9 months, 8-9 months together. Whatever you felt.
Beautifully shit. So that's like in 2 words.
Yeah.
But it defines it, right?
Yeah,
so
okay.
that's how it was. But it was still a good thing to invest on because I got to know all of you. And besides that, learned a lot. And still we had to bear some shit, and it's fine. It's life. It's life, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm still
Now
happy.
we'll move on to our female member. Here is Jellu Pamoy. So, how was your experience for the past 8-9
Come
months?
closer.
No, I'm
just-
so sorry. I can't talk.
Why are you so shy? Okay, we have another female member. So,
Good name?
your good name? Yeah. So, how was your experience for last
Oh,
8 to 9 months?
It's amazing. I just can't express how grateful I
Come
am.
closer.
NFDC
Okay.
and to Mac and all of the students, the Northeast students. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you.
Any Caleb, please tell in few words how was your experience for the past few months?
Yeah, it was amazing to be with you guys from different part of the Northeast, and I have met so many amazing people. This is my biggest experience in life, and I will not regret meeting you all. And today is the special day that is sponsored by our spooner team. Thank you to Robin Hibu team. Yeah, Hibu sir, and I will always remember.
Pardon him for his voice. He's
Thank you,
like
thank you.
screaming.
My name
Yes.
is Alfred Leo.
You're from?
I'm from Manipur.
Okay.
Manipur, but I've grown up in Nagaland.
Okay, great. So what do you feel about all this 8-9 months?
9 months.
Yeah.
Experience.
See, whatever. It's our personal thing.
It's just nothing. It's just like experience. No? It's just good.
Okay, thank you.
Silent.
Yes,
It's just
he's silent guy.
yeah. So
So your good name?
tell you introduce yourself. You don't know your good name?
What's your good name?
He doesn't know his good name, guys. We need to help him.
is very long.
What
is your good name? Tell me.
Mitun Joy.
Nitun Joy. Oh, it's too
one
long,
word,
yeah.
bro. Just one word. So,
Nitun Joy.
kenuko lagi 5 din yathaki? What is your experience? Please share with all.
It was amazing.
Hey, in Assamese.
Yeah.
बहुत ভাল লাগিলে
ভাল লাগিছে?
बहुत বেশি ভালো লাগছে।
Bala. Hello, sister.
We'll
Hello,
hijack them now.
sister.
Hello.
sister.
Hello Bhaiya.
So, please introduce yourself and tell us what was your experience for 8 to 9 months here at
सबसे पहले इसका नाम good name.
Yeah.
My name is Jessie.
Hello, Jesse.
Speak a bit louder.
Be a little louder.
Ask.
So, what do you think about the last 8-9 months? What will you take away?
I think it's good, but I don't like the air pollution.
Okay. I'll just call Kejriwal and I'll see to it. Okay, next.
It's good.
Anything else?
Yeah. I like. It's good.
Hey, I like it, man. Good. See. Oh, no. Why no?
Capture her. Your photographers here.
Good name.
Some serious
You wanna know
photographers
your
here.
good name?
Can you please put down your camera and share a few words, please, Mr. Ajan?
Arjan from Manipur, right?
How was your last 8 to 9 months? Bullshit.
Your good name.
He
Good
is the
name.
most.
Vidambo.
He's the most mysterious.
Guy, Mai.
He's the most mysterious guy. Okay, he stays in my PG, and you can never tell what is going in his mind, what is going in his heart. He can be extremely silent sometimes and extremely harmful and dangerous sometimes.
Oh, like that.
But he's a
Humble and
sweet chap.
dangerous. What happened? My baby. Really don't want to say bye. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, it's hard
First
It's really hard for me to say.
What's your name?
Good night.
Let's go.
Nam New Mai.
Nam New Mai. Okay. Tell us what was your
all the
experience
viewers
for the
of
past few months?
Mine
Okay.
may know him.
So Nam,
But-
how was your last few months here in Delhi?
Few months here. It's just, I'll just give one word. In whole package, wow.
Okay.
But at the same time, there is one word called but. And there is everything under but.
Yeah,
That's
very
it.
smart.
Okay, okay.
So what are the good memories and who are your good friends here and what?
My good friends all around here.
Oh,
and
okay,
memories
okay.
all around this.
Yeah.
Right now
Okay,
as well.
okay.
Right.
Look at the building.
that's-
This whole thing should be a memory.
Correct. Right now, one guy.
Hi, don't say hi.
Yeah, so he's quite young and he's like all
young
the
and
time
tall,
he's
no?
like so scared of I don't know of mosquitoes and stuff and all. Every time in the PG also, but anyway, yeah. So introduce yourself.
My name is Suyash and I'm a 21-year-old guy, undergraduate student. And like, what do I have to say?
Yeah, you shared your experience. How was it like 8-9 months?
It was bad. I mean, I wouldn't say it was bad. I met some people. They were really good. Some people, this guy also, including. And I only regret is that I didn't finish your song. This guy.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
finish
I
it
told
off
you to
later.
finish it. No?
Yeah, and
We're
then
not dying. We are just.
Yeah,
Today's thought.
yeah, today is very, it's a very nostalgic feeling. It's going to be very nostalgic feeling, like at the
End of it.
End of it. So it's pretty good, just to, to be with around people that we were here for like 8 months. So it's, it's
Thank
good,
you,
I think.
thank you.
Yeah.
So, Luke,
Well,
All right. Welcome. Peace.
do it like this.
Yeah.
Good, man. Guys, actually we are supposed to visit 4 places today, but it's not possible to visit all the places. We have visited 3 locations. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you again in the next video. If you don't subscribe yet to our channel, please do subscribe and share with your close ones. See you again in the next video.